So this is the project explanation for pick and place robo based on IoT based network. So in this we are going to operate the robo as well as this pick and place arm control from the IoT. So initially before anything, we have to create mobile phone 4G and hotspot, and after creating the mobile phone 4G and hotspot, you have to change the hotspot settings to shown here. So these are the hotspot settings you have to keep, that is the name project and the passcode project1234, all are small letters before turning on the kit or this thing. And some phones may not connect directly to the NODEMCU because some phones are detecting this NODEMCU Wi-Fi connection as it doesn't have any certain MAC address or something. So you have to try in 2-3 different phones in order to get connected to the NODEMCU Wi-Fi. So after turning on the 4G, and these are the components you will have. First one is the robo base, and the other one is the power supply. As there are heavy motors of 2+ to 4 motors, it won't run on any battery because it requires heavy voltage and current. So we are giving you extension based power socket supply, so you can connect this supply to power socket, and thereafter you have to connect this connector to this slot. Okay, so when you connect to this slot and connect this power supply into any power socket, as we do now, we will the robo NODEMCU microcontroller will connect to your mobile phone hotspot, and you will have an Android app. So this will be your Android app, robotic arm, and initially see that both are stop and stop are pressed, else whatever the previous commands are there, they would be taken. So before starting the kit, press stop buttons. Okay, so this is the initial procedure. Let's see the hardware part. And you will have this robotic arm. Robotic arm has 2 motors. One motor is to control the up and down action, and the other motor is to pick and place. So here you will have totally 4 buttons: up, down and pick, place. For anything, for up, if you press up, the motor will move for 500 milliseconds, stops, again move for 500 milliseconds, stops, until you press stop button. Okay, so I made it in this way such that the motors are very much fast. Suddenly they won't go and dip and hit the base, or else come out of the shaft. So what we have done is we have given delay for both robo as well as arm controls also. So you see in the working video. So if you press pick, press stop until as you desired thing is done. If the pick is placed, press stop as the place part is completed. Same way for forward, backward, right thing, we will have 2 motors. Those 2 motors are placed beneath these 2 wheels, and these are the supporting shaft wheels on this thing. So for these, to control these motors, we will have L293D driver boards to rotate the motors bidirectionally, and this is the NODEMCU Wi-Fi module which will connect to our database and fetch the data from the database and provide the control. There will be a delay of around 1 to 2 seconds between the communication of app and your control. This is just a extension power supply to supply power to the other modules. This is the 12 volts power supply for the motors, and this is 5 volts converter board. So this is your hardware. So now in order to run it, it's already connected to my Wi-Fi. What I will do is I will place the supply here. So you have to just, it fits in only one direction, so no need to worry. And place the robo down, placing it into the supply. So as it gets supplied, it will take some few seconds in order to get connected to your mobile phone hotspot. Remember that before connecting, your mobile phone hotspot should be there. Now I have the controls. These controls, one hotspot should be present at the robo, and this app can be installed from anywhere in the world. Okay, we require internet to the NODEMCU Wi-Fi. That's why we're creating a hotspot, because there won't be option for you to change to desired thing. So what we will do is we connect directly to the particular mobile phone hotspot, and this app can be anywhere else in the world. Now you can run it. I'm pressing forward. The robo moves forward. So 500 milliseconds it moved forwards. I'm pressing backward, it moved backward. Okay, stop. Again I'm pressing forward, backward, stop. Else if I keep forward like this only, you can see 500 seconds it moved, it waits until if it doesn't read any other commands, it goes forward like that. Okay, I'm moving backward, stop, right. Okay, sorry, wait. Okay, so while gluing up I just misplaced the L29 3D drivers. Now I made it set. If I move left, so it moves left. I'm moving right. So I have given 250 milliseconds delay. You can see here. Now I'm pressing stop, it will stop. What we will do is we shall just try to this pick object. I'm placing in little bit range. Now I have the buttons to press down, it comes down. Okay, I press stop, it stops. See that this is the maximum it can move, and you have to tight up screws sometimes if it get loosens up because of the movement. Now I say pick. I made it like this because if it makes fast, then it moves very much fastly. I place stop, it stops. Now I say up. Then I press stop. I say to move some, to me it will be left. Left stop. Move forward. Stop. Then down. Give some time, else you can double press also. I am pressing stop. Okay, then I am say place. Backward. Stop. Both stop. Up. And I'm again pressing stop. So you can also do simultaneous up, forward. If any black screen comes, you just press OK and go forward, because there will be communication speed or this thing database side. If any error types of comes, you can just close the app, restart the app, close from the background also. Don't run this app from the background, just run in the foreground and press stop. So this is the application. You have how your application runs, and this is the hardware type.